Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in with your school Google account so submissions link to your teacher. Once signed in, open Classroom on the web or app and tap the plus to join class. Enter the class code exactly. Make sure you scan the classwork tab and syllabus right away because those show due dates, point values, and required materials. If you have multiple classes, star or pin the most urgent ones so you don't miss the first assignments. Once in a class, open an assignment and read the instructions and rubric carefully. This tells you the how and why behind grading. Add work by attaching Google Drive files, uploading from your device, or creating a new doc or slide right inside Classroom. When ready, click Turn in Classroom timestamps submissions and prevents edits unless your teacher allows resubmission. If you need to revise, return the work to draft, make changes, and you complete the cycle by reviewing teacher feedback and private comments. Respond or revise quickly so grading stays smooth. Make sure to monitor the Grades tab and the Class Drive folder where every submitted file is stored. That helps when you need to compile work for projects. If something breaks, try basic fixes. Clear your browser cache, update the Classroom app, sign out and back in, or rejoin the class. If issues persist, send your teacher a screenshot, an exact error message, so they can help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.